Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a CSS Grid tutorial on freeCodeCamp, and we're going to learn about applying media queries to create responsive layouts using CSS Grid. So media queries is a great way to adjust your CSS Grid depending on the viewport width or whatever device you're looking on the web page with. So we can look at this example and let's see what's going on. So we have a container and 4 items, and we can see that each items it just has the color and it has the color and it has the name of it depending on with it here. And now we can also see that the columns is 1 FR, so the width of each column takes up the entire screen. And then here's the height of each row, 50 pixels, auto, 1 FR, and auto. And here's what we're naming it: header, advert, content, and footer. And they put it in the HTML to make it easy to understand. And now there's already a media query set up. So when the media is at least 300 pixels, it's going to create a different column. It's going to create another column, and we're going to see that advert is going to go there. So if we expand it, we see that advert goes there. And now for this exercise, we want to adjust it to when the viewport width is 400 pixels or more. We want to make the header area occupy the top row. So this header occupy the top row without this advert. And then the footer would take up the entire bottom row without this advert as well. So we gotta look at the media width of 400 pixels, which is already created. And we can see here, this is what we're gonna adjust. And we're gonna change advert to header. And then here the footer as well. And I think to expand it so you can see it. And there we go. So we can see we have 2 different media queries set up for this exercise. And that'll be it for this one. Thank you so much.